How to get an inactive RAID device working again? After booting, my RAID 1 device, /def/md_d0, sometimes goes in some funny state and I cannot mount it. Originally I created /def/md0, but it has somehow changed itself into /def/md_d0. The RAID device appears to be inactive somehow. Question is, how to make the device active again, using md, I presume? Other times it's alright, active, after boot, and I can mount it manually without problems. But it still won't mount automatically even though I have it in /etc/stab. So a bonus question, what should I do to make the RAID device automatically mount at /opt at boot time? This is an Ubuntu 9.10 workstation. Background info about my RAID setup in this question. Edit, my /etc/mdadm/mdadm.conference looks like this. I've never touched this file, at least by hand. In /proc/partitions the last entry is md_d0 at least now, after reboot, when the device happens to be active again. I'm not sure if it would be the same when it's inactive. Resolution, as Jimmy Hedman suggested, I took the output of mdadm examine scan and added it in /etc/mdadm/mdadm.conference, which seems to have fixed the main problem. After changing /etc/stab to use /def/md0 again, instead of /def/md_d0, the RAID device also gets automatically mounted.
For your bonus question,
I have found that I have to add the array manually in /etc/mdadm/mdadm.conference in order to make Linux mounted on reboot. Otherwise I get exactly what you have here, md_d1 devices that are inactive etc. The conference file should look like below, i.e. one array line for each MD device. In my case the new arrays were missing in this file, but if you have them listed this is probably not a fix to your problem. Add one array per MD device, and add them after the comment included above, or if no such comment exists, at the end of the file. You get the UUIDs by doing sudo mdadm scan. As you can see, you can pretty much just copy the output from the scan result into the file. I run Ubuntu Desktop 10.04 LTS, and as far as I remember this behavior differs from the server version of Ubuntu. However, it was such a long time ago I created my MD devices on the server, I may be wrong. It may also be that I just missed some option. Anyway, adding the array in the conference file seems to do the trick. I've run the above RAID 1 and RAID 5 for years with no problems.
Warning, first of all let me say that the below, due to the use of force, seems risky to me, and if you have irrecoverable data I'd recommend making copies of the partitions involved before you start trying any of the things below. However, this worked for me. I had the same problem, with an array showing up as inactive, and nothing I did including the mdadm examine scan and /etc/mdadm.conference, as suggested by others here, helped at all. In my case, when it tried to start the RAID 5 array after a drive replacement, it was saying that it was dirty, Vietnamese. Causing it to show up as inactive in /proc/mdstat. I did find that all the devices had the same events on them, except for the drive I had replaced, /dev/sdb4. However, the array details showed that it had 4 out of 5 devices available. The above is from memory on the state column. I can't find it in my scroll back buffer. I was able to resolve this by stopping the array and then reassembling it. At that point the array was up, running with 4 of the 5 devices, and I was able to add the replacement device and its rebuilding. I'm able to access the file system without any problem.
I was having issues with Ubuntu 10.04 where an error in stab prevented the server from booting. I ran this command as mentioned in the above solutions. This will append the results from mdadm examine scan to /etc/mdadm/mdad.conference. In my case, this was This is a faker RAID 0. My command in /etc/stab for automatically mounting is. The important thing here is that you have no boot wait and no fail. No boot wait will skip any system messages which are preventing you from booting. In my case, this was on a remote server so it was essential. Hope this will help some people.
Yeah.